Hi everyone, it's Janet Wakeland with Remarkably Created, and I have some amazing goodness in the studio now. This just arrived and I cannot wait to share it with you. Some of you have heard and seen my post about the Crafters Advent Box from Stampin' Up. 12 doors of amazing product that you will not find in the online store and or in a Stampin' Up catalog publication. So let's take a look at it together and let's see what this box looks like. So first off, it comes packaged in this beautiful craft brown box. I love that there's no markings or anything on that, so that means that you can stamp it, you can decorate it, you can wrap it with pretty bows and embellish it to your heart's content if you are opting to give this as a gift. Or maybe you're like me, a lot of times I buy my own gifts and I'll put them under the tree so I can make the gift giver, my Santa, look good by decorating it up. So then it's also going to be shrink wrapped. I love seeing that it is shrink wrapped. And let me just grab some scissors here so we can take the shrink wrap off. And before we go any further, for those of you who are stressed about seeing the contents, that you don't want to see the contents, you're not going to see the contents here. I'm just showing you the box, basically what you've already seen in graphics. If you are, however, somebody who wants to see what's behind all of the 12 doors, you're a see it before you buy it kind of person, then make sure you access the link that is part of the description of this video and can join an exclusive Facebook group that I have set up. We will be opening a door a day beginning tomorrow, Saturday, and every day we will open a door, and then I will also showcase projects with the new products, okay? The first one being this. So in addition to the 12 doors, there's a 13th gift, Lucky 13. So tomorrow we will open the first door, but we will showcase samples with this. And it's called the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. We've got some great greetings. I love the healing hugs. I love the for someone extra special, nice bold stamps so that you're going to be able to add color quickly. This one will add two-step together, same with this one here. The inside for the butterflies. So you're going to have a lot of fun creating with this set. So beautiful box, okay. We've got some flowers on the back. I'm sure we're going to find ways to repurpose this box. And then you do have 12 doors to open. They're random sizes. We do know that it's going to be assorted stamps and dies and papers and other crafting fun. So just the size of the doors have me curious as well. So again, it comes in that nice craft box. It is shrink plastic wrapped. You will have 12 doors that you can open. Of course, you can open them all at once if you're spoiling yourself with this box. You can have some self-restraint and you can open, a door a day. So for, a door a day for 12 days, whether you do it in October, November, or December. You can do a door a week. And of course, if you actually want to see what's behind the doors before you scoop this up, I will be opening a door a day beginning tomorrow in my Facebook group. And then we will be creating some fun things with what's behind each one of the 12 doors. If this alone has gotten you excited, I will also link the code to purchase this because it is while supplies last. And I know that more and more people are starting to get excited about it. So maybe after you see the first door tomorrow, you're going to be like, that's it, I'm not waiting, I need it. And so again, come join the Facebook group if you want to see the contents. If you want to order one, use the link above. Any questions about the kit at all, ask them below in the comments. Thanks, guys.